Welcome back to the channel. My name is Patrick and we are back with another account balance review, I guess. So for those who don't know, I am trading with the 5%ers, 80k account, and I am now a level 3 trader as I've recently passed the level 2 stage here. So I'm going to walk through exactly what I did to help me recap for myself, but also for those who may find things like this useful or interesting. So my profit objectives for this account was to reach $8,000. So the account was 80,000. I had to reach 10% of that. Maximum drawdown was 4,800. So I started the account on the 20th of September, and I was able to complete the stage by the 3rd of October, so about 9 trading days. I was able to complete this stage. So I'm really happy with that. I progressed really fast, faster than I expected to. I gave myself maybe a month to get this stage done, but I got it done within 9 days, or should I say within 14 days, which is quite critical actually. Reason I say so is I'm not able to withdraw my level 1 profits yet or my level 2 profits until another 14 days from this date. So I'm a little bit annoyed I can't get access to my level 1 profits yet. So I'm progressing a little bit too fast. So I probably need to take a break, which I doubt I'll do, or reduce my size and trade a little bit slower. So that's what I'm going to try to do, and I should really take that approach because with the level 3 account, my maximum drawdown is no longer 6%, it's now 4%. So I do need to adapt a little bit. But anyway, so let's focus on here what I did exactly to pass this stage. So I got the account, got a little bit excited. I still think I was a bit excited from passing level 1 because I started quite aggressively, and I think after a few days, was that 2, 3 days, I was up by $2,000, $2,500. Now the reason I was up so quick wasn't necessarily my trading strategy. It was because I caught a momentum move, which is something I normally don't do and I don't recommend. And this is why, because I felt like I stole that money from the market, and the market just came back and took it the next day. I mean, completely all of it. So I think I made about 2,500. Was it the peaks there? 2,600, and it came and took it all off me. And then I was in drawdown. So when I was in drawdown here, I said, you know what? You haven't been trading like you're supposed to. You haven't been sticking to the plan. So what I did, which I haven't done previously, because I have been on this stage before and I've lost the account because exactly what I did here. So what I did was have a look at the level 1 account and saw exactly what I did to progress. So after reviewing my approach, I decided to apply it, and I started applying it here, and as you can see, I slowly started progressing, taking smaller trades, taking smaller scalps, using less volume, which was the key actually. And then I caught a big move here, which took my account up to hold on, let's zoom out again. So it took my account up to the previous high. So I was up to 4,000 here. I caught a move which was worth about 3,000 or so, $3,000. So I got back up here and I decided just to continue to do exactly what I've been doing that helped me get out drawdown, and I continued doing it slowly and surely, taking small scalps, and hit my profit target within 9 trading days. So really happy about that. I'm gonna show you exactly what my statistics said I did. So roughly it says I took 277 trades. I did not take 277 trades. I know I didn't. I think this takes into account when you take partials and close positions early or whatever, but I know I didn't take 277 trades. But statistics, you can't really argue with numbers. So profits, it says the deals my profit deals my win rate basically is 78%. Again, I don't think that's accurate. I believe my win rate is closer to 90, but at least 80. So I can accept that. But on these levels with these account balances, it's roughly been saying my win rates in this higher 70s. So I guess that's consistent to what it's recording. So I leave it as it is. Not too focused about that, to be honest. And my loss deals is 20. So what I do take into account here is my best pip trades here, which was 47, which is very accurate. It was a 47 pip move, and my largest loss, which is 58. So this is higher than I normally have it. My risk to reward ratio on average, the biggest pip loss I take should be about 20 to 30 pips. So this was considerably higher than normal. But like I showed you earlier, I was trading out of my strategy. So that probably equates to where that move was from. Yeah, it actually is. That's why I took the $2,000 loss. So on average, I am gaining about 7 pips according to this, which is accurate. I do scalp between 5 to 10 pips, and my average loss, which is more accurate, is about 6 pips. So that's quite accurate there. My average trade length is 17 minutes. I believe that because most of my moves I'm in and out of within 10 to 15 minutes. So I could believe that. And my preferred pairs are just the two here. Euro USD, USD JPY. Slightly started leaning to more. I slightly leaning more towards trading Euro USD as it's just been ranging, and ranging is ideal for my strategy. For those who don't know, my strategy I trade is supply and demand. So if it's ranging, it's just bouncing from demand to supply, and that works perfectly for my strategy. So looking at the volume here, as you can see, on average, I'm using about 2 standard lots. So again, as I mentioned, I went back to my previous account and saw what I did. So the previous account I had a maximum of 2 standard lots, and I was only using 1. So on this account, I had a maximum of 8 standard lots, and on average, I was only using 2. So what helped me reduce my risk was to reduce the volume. So it's something that I will be doing in the future. I've learned, that's how I keep these accounts, and I learned that it's enough really. With two standard lots, I'm able to scout moves. I'm able to make, on average, $800 a day. My daily target was $400, but I was making in excess of 1,000 a day because I was taking maybe 5 to 10 trades, or sometimes 3 to 5 trades a day, and I was taking about $200 per trade. So, you do the maths. That's why I was able to do it in 9 days, because on average I was racking in about 1,000 a day. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Really, I just wanted to quickly review the account balance here. I have now been moved on to level 3. I do now have the full 160,000k account, and I have started trading it. So for those who've been following these series and want to see how I progress, head over to the playlist and you'll be able to see how I progress with that account. Spoiler alert, I am in drawdown. I did overtrade a little bit last night, and this morning I made a mess of it. Just, try to fix the issues, the small loss I made the previous day. So I have reduced my size now, and because I do need to wait for 14 days before I could actually get paid, I will be trading with a low volume, and I'm going to be taking less trades and basically slowing down. There is no time limit on this account, so it makes sense for me to slow down and get paid. So that's where I am. If you want to keep updated, if you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and any questions, hit me up in the comment section. Until then, this is Patrick signing out. Peace.